Abrams M1A2 SEP V3 is a modernized configuration of the Abrams main battle tank in service with the U.S. Army. This new version offers enhanced protection and survivability, as well as higher lethality than its predecessors. The tank also features various advancements in technology, including improved armor, communications, reliability, sustainment, and fuel efficiency. The M1A2 Abrams SEP V3 retains the layout of the M1A2 MBT with the driver's cab at the forward center hull, turret in the middle and power pack at the rear. The tank integrates the line replaceable module technology to enable easy maintenance of the fleet. The tank integrates joint tactical radio system, handheld, manpack, and small form fit radio to ensure network readiness and interoperation with future brigade combat teams. The MBT measures 9.7 meters long, 3.7 meters wide, and 2.4 meters high, and is manned by a crew of 4, including a driver, a commander, a loader, and a gunner. The main gun fitted on the MBT is a M256 120mm smoothbore cannon, which can fire M829 of 4 advanced kinetic energy and advanced multi-purpose rounds to defend armored vehicles, personnel, and low-flying aircraft. The tank features a low-profile common, remotely operated weapon system, installed with a 12.7mm machine gun. A 7.62mm M240 machine gun is also mounted coaxially with the main gun. The M1A2 SEP V3 is powered by a Honeywell AGT1500 gas turbine engine, which develops a power of 1,500 horsepower. The auxiliary power unit under the armour enables the tank to operate on-board systems with a reduced probability of detection during silent watch operations. The generator allows for the turret operation without the power from main engine when the vehicle is in stationary position, resulting in improved fuel efficiency. The tank is also equipped with advanced power generation and distribution systems, such as an improved amperage alternator, a slip ring, enhanced hull power distribution unit or common remote switching modules, and a battery monitoring system. The running gear includes 7 road wheels with a drive sprocket at the rear, idler at the front, and 2 return rollers on either side. The first, second, and 7th road wheel stations are fitted with rotary shock absorbers.